here live at TEDx Beacon Street, and I'm sitting down with Kate Adamala, Assistant Professor of Genetics, Cell Biology, and Development at the University of Minnesota. Kate, thanks so much for sitting down.
Thanks for having me.
So tell us a little bit about your talk.
My talk was about how to make artificial life and why we haven't done it yet, and what awesome things would happen once we do it. I was talking about some applications in drug development, in studying biology, in making it easier to colonize space, and in making it easier to figure out how did life start on Earth. It's this new way of studying biology where we take pieces of cells and put them back together into those controllable systems that we call synthetic cells. And they can allow us to study biology and learn more about biology by taking it apart than just trying to figure it out from a complex life cell.
Oh. So it seems like there is a lot of applications about this. I mean, you just mentioned colonizing other planets, outer
One
space.
day.
One day.
One day. That's not my aim on any grant I've submitted, but
Yeah. The way you just said that, it made it seem like you were like you were the president. You're like, one day we will colonize.
we will.
but there's so many more things too. You said finding the origins of life.
Yeah.
What is there one in particular that you find that is somewhat close to our grasp?
I'm really excited about two. One is making better drugs using synthetic cells as models for biology for looking how drugs interface with different biological pathways. And because synthetic cells are simpler, so we can look at interactions of a certain drug with a certain drug target in a much cleaner environment. So we can develop drug faster, hopefully. And we can set up those pipelines for making personalized drugs. So that opens up personalized medicine. So that's one thing that I'm really excited, and that's the part that hopefully will bring us money to the lab one day. The other part that I'm really, really personally excited about is figuring out how life started. Most of my work so far have been done on the origin of life field, and we're working on trying to figure out how the first cells on Earth could have looked like, and what conditions do you need to make life. So once we go out there and start looking at the planet, we can look at it and say, that looks habitable, that looks like there could be life there.
Wow, that's so cool. I didn't realize. So they are very much related of discovering how life was first created, and therefore that would allow us. Very cool.
Yeah.
So, Kate, if people are really interested in this, is there somewhere they can go, somewhere we can sort of track your progress? What are you working on now?
There's a website for my lab. The URL is protobiology.com.org.
Okay.
I should have known. And it's basically a relatively new field. So if you Google artificial cells, artificial biology, synthetic biology, artificial cells, there is a lot of great literature too out there. And watch my talk.
Yes, of course. All right. Well, thanks so much for
Thank you
sitting
very
down
much.
with Kate Adamala. You can check out her whole talk at TEDxBeaconStreet.com.